Hello guys, this is Joy with Sunseeker RV Rental. Today we are going to show you how to use the slide out on our 2013 Sunseeker. So the first thing you need to do is turn on the master battery switch. This is inside the door to your left as soon as you walk in. Switch that to on and head over to the driver's seat. Now you are going to press down on the parking brake. It's the far left pedal. Press that down as far as you can. Now we want to make sure there is nothing in the way and that there is enough room for the slide out to fully slide out. Now we are going to walk towards the bathroom where the bed is. The slide out button is actually to the right of the bed where there's this little nightstand type area. You press the down button, the slide out will start to go out. You want to hold that down until it is fully in line with where it's supposed to be. Once the slide out is out, you'll see that the bed is kind of in two halves. So there is a piece of wood that you want to lift up and flip over, and then you will flip the bed on top of that. That is what makes the bed nice and sturdy and allows the bed to take up the entire space. And to bring the slider back in, we are going to do the opposite of what we just did. So we are going to check the area, make sure nothing's in the way. Press the inside on the button for the slide out. And we are going to hold that down until it comes all the way back in to make sure that it fully closes all the way. It should go up and over the mechanical box as shown.